does also have some straps in here that you can adjust with it to make it fit your head a little better. I had to finagle it for about 5 minutes or so before I found out a way to make it fit my head where it was perfect, but I got it and I really think it's cool. Also, this pops off, and this is where the batteries go. Pull it from here. I did it once before. Yeah. Pull it from here. And the batteries go in there. It takes 3 AA, so just unscrew it, throw them in there, and you're good to go.
So this is gonna look silly that I'm wearing the helmet, but I'm doing this for a reason. They actually have a voice changer in this thing, which is pretty stinking cool. So all you do is press this button on the side, and the next thing you know, I sound like Captain Cardinal. My only complaint is that it did come in scratched, and you can hear it as I'm doing this. There's a delay on the voice modulator. So there's a little bit of a delay from what you say to what the voice modulator changes it to. But other than that, I think this is a really cool piece, especially if you're a fan of Cardinal like I am. He's in the Phasma book and the Galaxy's Edge Black Spire novel, and he's just a cool character in general. So I think this is a good purchase, and you can go to Target right now and they're doing 20% off of toys, and this qualifies as a toy.
So, I think you should do it if you like Cardinal. Hope you like this little mini review. I think it's really, really cool. I did also forget to mention that this is a Target exclusive. The only way to get it is to buy it from, I believe, Target.com now. The Target stores may have them, but none in the Orlando area had them. So I had to order it online, but it's pretty cool.